Hey guys, Sheldon Atkins here, your Hyundai guy coming at you from Murray Hyundai here in Winnipeg. I gotta let you know, if I'm gonna be your Hyundai guy, I should probably talk about some Hyundais. So, right now, it's our 2017 Clearout event, construction Clearout, because as you can see, we're under construction. We need these to move. We need the space for our 2018s. You need to come in and test drive one of these bad boys. Rock bottom prices. We are trying to move these. This is all the savings that you can get, up to $2,000 off, $3,000 off, depending on the trim level. You come in, give me a call or text anytime at the bottom of your screen. My email is there as well. Shoot me a text, email, call, messenger pigeon, I don't care. Send me something. I'll book an appointment. You come in for a test drive. I'm going to give you a $25 gift card to the movies on me. You're going to go out in your brand new vehicle to the movies first night you have it. This is again Sheldon Atkins, your Hyundai guy, coming at you from Murray Hyundai. Let's get it done. Have a great day.